a nice sticker.
Been there, done that.
What about that one?
Oh, that one is so last style off. Now this, I like.
Me too. Try it on.
But every time I try, they turn out all scrunchy like this. Oh, I've tried everything. I've tried stomping them on. I've tried chomping them on. Oh, and I've even tried swamping them on. But nothing seems to work. If only my arms weren't so teeny weeny.
I've got an idea. Diddly-loo. Try this. It's called a shoehorn.
A horn? Like Go-Go has?
What?
Say, how did you do that?
Well, if you want to stick a sticker smoothly, start in the corner and push it on evenly like this. You can also use something hard and flat, like a ruler, to press it on. That way, you won't get any air bubbles stuck underneath. Give it a try.
Like this? Ew. Oh, no! I messed it up again!
You just need to practice, Stompers. For now, the way it looks suits you. You just need to be confident.
Okay, just gotta be confident. Let's do this. Come on, Stompers. Let's go. Huh? What are those?
Who's that?
That's the judge. They're the Stylosaur that decides the winner soar. Thank you one and all for another wonderful style-off. Today's winner is... it says here, Go, Go.
Stompers, I'm sorry.
You know what, Doodle Girl? I'm Happy Saurus. Thanks to you, I learned to be confident and have fun, even when I could use more practice. You know, Stompers, for a second I thought you had me. That new style of yours. I like it. Bold, brave, unrefined.
Hear that, Stompers? You keep on practicing and maybe you'll win next time.